Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce landscaping expenses with TaskRabbit. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your landscaping needs. Make a list of the tasks you want to complete. Determine your budget for these landscaping projects. Open the TaskRabbit app or website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Use the search bar to find landscaping or related services. Browse through profiles of available taskers. Check their reviews and ratings to ensure you choose a reliable worker. Compare hourly rates to find a tasker that fits your budget. Once you select a tasker, contact them for any initial questions. Discuss the scope of your project clearly. Confirm their availability for your desired dates. Agree on a start time and duration for the job. Make sure to clarify any materials you will provide. Ask about the tasker's experience with similar landscaping tasks. Finalize the agreement on payment and services offered. Meet the tasker on the day of service for any last-minute instructions. Inspect their work as tasks are completed. Feel free to provide feedback and make adjustments as needed. Once the job is completed, go through the final walkthrough with the tasker. Ensure everything meets your expectations before making the payment. Leave an honest review based on your experience. Utilizing TaskRabbit can help you reduce expenses while achieving professional landscaping results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.